Alright, welcome back to the AI Research Roundup. I'm your host, Alex. So today we're diving into Constitutional Classifiers, a paper from Anthropic about defending AI models against, well, jailbreaks. The basic idea? These classifiers, trained on synthetic data based on a constitution of good and bad content, filter inputs and outputs to block harmful responses, like instructions for making, say, chemical weapons without rejecting too many harmless requests. Okay, so this figure shows the results of automated testing with the constitutional classifiers. Well, look at that drop in jailbreak success rate, from over 80% down to almost nothing. The refusal rate and compute costs are only slightly higher with the classifiers enabled, which, as the summary mentioned, is a pretty good trade-off for that huge boost in security. So, this figure shows how these constitutional classifiers are trained and implemented. First, a constitution of good and bad examples is created. Then, it's used to generate a bunch of synthetic training data, including variations to cover different ways harmful requests might be phrased. Okay? Finally, these classifiers are used to filter both incoming queries and the AI's output, blocking anything deemed harmful. Well, it's like a double-check system to keep those dangerous responses at bay. Okay. So this figure shows how many users passed each level of a jailbreaking challenge. Most users cleared the first couple of questions, but look at the sharp drop-off. Very few made it to the later stages. Well, this shows that while some folks can still find ways to jailbreak the model, it's getting much, much harder. Okay, so to wrap up, constitutional classifiers offer a promising new way to defend AI models against jailbreaks. Well, they drastically reduce successful attacks while keeping the extra compute cost and harmless request blocking fairly low. While not perfect, it's a big step forward in AI safety, especially when it comes to, well, preventing the misuse of AI for dangerous things. Thanks for tuning in to the AI Research Roundup. This is Alex, signing off.